A transmission rebuild is where the entire transmission is taken apart and inspected. The cost of transmission repairs can vary widely based on a number of factors such as extent of damage, manual versus automatic, or the make and model of your vehicle. A transmission replacement means that you are replacing your entire transmission. Sometimes this option is called having your transmission remanufactured. Once you have determined that it is your car's transmission that needs to be fixed, you will need to decide if you want to have your transmission repaired, replaced, or rebuilt. When repairing a transmission, you are replacing the bare minimum amount of parts to bring your transmission back into working order. If you're looking for a reputable shop to help you identify specifically what has failed on your vehicle and think you need a transmission repair immediately, schedule an appointment before it is too late. Transmission troubles can be both frustrating and costly. Your transmission is one of your car's most complex and essential engine components.